Namaste. Now, for those of you who don't know, Namaste is a word taken from Sanskrit. It's a language from India about 1700 BC. It's a simple greeting that actually means same name. We are the same, we are equals. When we meet, we put our egos aside and we listen to learn from one another in humility because we're all teachers and learners at all times. This greeting could be a simple reminder of that. Now, I've heard other translations of this Namaste. The divine within me recognizes and bows to the divine within you, or the love and light in me sees the love and light within you. These are beautiful, wonderful. They are embellishments of the essence of the meaning, which is to say that we are one and the same, cut from the same beautiful cloth. Now, this action of bringing the hands together is a mudra. At heart center, it's supposed to invoke an idea or a feeling in the body, and in this case, it's an act of reverence towards ourselves. Then bringing the thumbs up activates the all-seeing third eye, place of true sight and intuition. And the bow is an act of humility towards one another. So let's do that one more time together. Bring your palms to press at heart center. You can close the eyes, bring the thumbs to the forehead, that all-seeing third eye. And let's once again bow to one another saying, Namaste.